Hello, hello from the Williamsburg Bridge, Manhattan side. If we take a look here, you can see that the entrance to this bridge is just dreadful. You can see that you're supposed to come down this bike lane. Watch this, whatever motorcycle thing. Look what he's doing. He's going up the wrong way because that's actually the more logical way to go. See? That's what they're doing, because this entrance is designed by amateurs. They put a bike lane there, but there's no correct ramp to get onto the bike lane. Wake up, Mayor. Wake up, Department of Transportation. Wake up, New York City. This is ridiculous. You're gonna cause accidents. You're supposed to come. Look at these poor bikes have to come down this crappy ramp. Let's make a proper entrance. I know you want to spend millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars of taxpayer money, so fix this ramp. Waste the money here. You guys are a bunch of clowns. The mayor's a clown. The Department of Transportation, they're filled with clowns. Now let's see what this bike does. Look, he's doing the same thing. He's going up the exit ramp. Because he's smart, he knows what he's doing. But that's what people are doing. You're gonna cause head-on collisions. Why is this a land that time forgot? Why? Why does the whole Lower East Side look like crap? And then the Hudson Yards, they're redoing the roads. Now here, see, that'll be a head-on collision if two people are coming opposite ways. This is a mess. It's a lot better than it was when it didn't have anything, but you can't just do half a job. You have to do the whole job. And again, the guy who's setting up contracts, I'm sure wants to get kickbacks from this job. So let's do it. Let's fix it. Let's waste $10 million or $100 million of taxpayer money, but at least make the place safe and better. Peace out.